Buddy's world, and we're just living in it. He feels like he's the boss and tries to control us with everything we do. Nobody can challenge him. He's patrolling the house. And then Buddy always has something to say. But the first time we met him, we were a little hesitant. We got him from a rescue. He definitely was in rough shape. He had been pretty mistreated, so he has crooked foot and a permanent limp. He had a bad diet, and his feathers were dull. He just came to us not his happy self. As soon as we saw him, we knew right away that he was a special bird. He wasn't sure about us at first. So obviously we gave him his space and then give him lots of treats to encourage him. It didn't take long for him to finally completely open up to us. Buddy's attitude is one of a kind. He likes to get what he wants. He often flies into the pantry, checks out the cans, and just for fun, he'll rip the labels off of them. And he usually will try and sneak a little taste of whatever's in the can before we do. He thinks he is the biggest bird in the universe. He's always with us, always looking for more. But we've never tried to change him. We've embraced Buddy's sassy attitude because it's part of him. We give him everything he wants just because he's special to us. It's impossible not to smile with Buddy around. We love everything about Buddy.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.